Have you ever wondered how professional traders consistently make profitable trades? The secret lies in mastering the art of the top-down analysis. Today, I'm going to show you how to analyze the markets like a pro, step by step, so you can spot highly probability setups with confidence. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more actionable trading content. And don't forget to check the link in the description and in bio for exclusive free Telegram channel that gives you free signals daily and also setups. Top-down analysis is all about starting from the bigger picture and working your way down to finer details. Think of it as a building or as building a house. You need a solid foundation before focusing on the interior design. In trading, that foundation is the higher time frames. Now, as you can see in this video, we are starting with 1 hour time frame, and we are going down to 15 and also 1 minute for entry. As you can see this video, and as you can see the chart here, we had a lot of liquidity that was left here, and the market was coming to sweep all the liquidity. So what we have to do is to wait for the market to come into our buy zone, which was this order block that was not mitigated yet. So when the market comes into this zone, we are in 1 hour time frame, and I think you can see that the market touched the zone. When the market touched the zone, we are going to go to 15 minutes and you see what happened in the zone. What was the story in this zone? So when the market touched the zone, we just don't enter on 1 hour. We have to first confirm and then we take a trade. So what we have to do is to come to 15 minutes chart, and then on 15 minute chart, this is how the market landed in the place. So what we have to do is to play out and we see what happened. On 15 minutes, the market opened that candle. So when the market opened that candle, we have to go into 1 minute chart so that we can confirm. We can confirm with the entry. So let me switch to 1 minute chart and we see what happened in this place. This is what happened in the place. 1 minute chart gave us this, and I think you can see when the market reached here, it tried to move and broke this high, and again retested to this order block and again broke, which created the what? A change of character here. That is a change of character fully formed. So when the market created a change of character, I think you can see well that here was imbalanced but was filled with this wick. So which means all this zone is still strong. This zone was still strong because of what? This candle was not mitigated yet. You see, this is another block. So this should be our what? Our entry zone. And I think you can see. So when the market comes back into this zone, we are waiting for the market to come and mitigate this zone well, and then we take an entry from here. Our stop loss will be below. So let's play this out and we see what happened in this zone. The market moved and broke this high again, showing us the interest in buying. So this is a high that was taken. That's a BOS. And now let's continue and we see what happened. Let's play this out. The market, boom, reached into our what? Our zone. This was our zone that we're waiting in. So what we do is to buy from this zone. If you are waiting from this zone, you just enter the buy when the market reaches in your zone, because this was our order block after sweeping all this liquidity here down. Now you set your stop loss around here, and I think you can see about something like 10 pips. Now where are we targeting? Our highest time frame was 1 hour, so we are targeting the last high of 1 hour. The last high of 1 hour, where is the last high of 1 hour? I think here up was the last high. I think you can see. So we have to pull this by to our last high. That was the last high. You see that? So what are we targeting? We are risking only 10 pips. For how many pips? Look at these pips. Look at this, that journey from down there to that high. Like 490 pips. 490 pips that we are targeting. So I want us to play this. Let's go back in 1 minute chat and we see how this plays out a little bit. So we have set our buy. Sorry, this will look huge because it's on a high time frame. So let's play this out and we see how this played out. The market came back, tapped into the zone, and now let's set off. I think you can see how the market is moving. Straight high. Now when the market reaches here, that should be your first TP, and you close half. Like me, I do partials. I take half, then I leave others to continue on BE. Then the market continues high, and I think the market will reach our last high. Let's see how the market played out. Okay, let's play this out and we see. I think you can see how the market is playing out, and it's continuing to reach to our last highs that we want us to take the TPs from. TPs are take profits. Now this is the reason as to why I tell you to take partials and also set BE. Market is still moving high. This is way too long trade for swing traders, those who like swinging. This could be good for you guys. I think let's go to 15 minutes chat so that this can be fast at least. 15 minutes chat playing out this way. A little bit faster. And boom, all our TPs hit 490 pips. I think you can see. It's not even 490, it's 494 pips. So risking only 10 pips for 494 pips, guys. So if you want to learn more about these entries, you can still connect with me and we talk, and then you learn more about these things. I don't explain more in these videos because I teach more in my mentorship. So I don't want guys who learn from my mentorship to come and say, you know what, you're giving out everything. So let me give you a bonus tips for accuracy of this. Here are 3 pro tips to enhance your top-down analysis. Always use multi-timeframe confluence. It increases your trading success rate. Pay attention to economic news. As always, it often aligns with the major levels. So keep your charts clean. Too many indicators create confusion. That's why I don't use indicators, guys. I don't really use indicators. I only trade plain charts, as you can see. So it's also your choice, guys. So see how everything comes together in this example: a stronger higher time frame bias, refined levels, and precise entry points. This is the power of top-down analysis. Now imagine doing this consistently, making money, like, a lot of money. Want to fast track your trading journey? Join my VIP mentorship program and learn strategies that are designed to help you achieve at least 10,000 weekly, 10,000, I'm talking about USDs, 10,000 weekly profits. Click the link in the description or in the bio to get started today. But hurry, this offer won't last long, Yeah. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments what topics you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy trading.